Hi students, how are you? Well, we were doing 0 of a polynomial in the previous class, alright, and I have already defined to you what 0 of a polynomial. It is a value of x for which the polynomial is equal to 0, alright, and we have dealt with finding a 0 of a linear polynomial, alright, and however you have questions pertaining to finding zeros to linear polynomial only, you don't have the quadratic polynomial. We will try to see one additional problem and try to cover that quadratic polynomial also. Meanwhile, I have few problems which are left in exercise 2.2, and the problems are as follows. If 2 is 0 of a polynomial, p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, find the value of a. Let me write, since 2 is 0 of p of x, we have p of 2 is equal to 0. Tomorrow if I say 3 is the 0 of a polynomial, then p of 3 will be 0. If k is the 0 of a polynomial, then you will say p of k is equal to 0. That is how the definition is. So p of 2 is equal to 0. Now what is p of 2? You have to substitute here. 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. What is 2 square? 4. 4 2s are 8. What is 3 2s are 6 plus 7a is equal to 0. Now what is 8 minus 6? 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. I will write here 7a is equal to minus 2, or a is equal to minus 2 by 7. So the problem is done in this way. Now have your focus on the next question. You can pause the video and copy this question and then go for the next question. Now you can focus on the next question. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. See how many maximum zeros it can have? It can have 3 zeros. We have discussed in the previous class. The degree of the polynomial will be equal to the number of zeros. This is a note you must mention and keep it, because that is not mentioned in the textbook. The degree of the polynomial will be equal to the number of zeros. Anyhow, the two zeros given to you are 0 and 1, and the polynomial is 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Find the value of a and b. How do I do that? I will say, since 0 is the 0 of f of x, we have, what do we have? F of that value 0 is equal to 0. Now what is f of 0? I need to substitute here. F of 0 means 2 into 0 cube. In place of x you have to write 0. 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b is equal to 0. This is perfect 0, this is 0, this is 0, plus b is equal to 0. Ultimately, what is the value of b you will get? 0. Now again I will write, since 1 is the 0 of f of x, we have, what do we have? F of 1 is equal to 0. How do you calculate f of 1? 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b is equal to 0. What is 1 cube? 1. 1 into 2, 2. 1 square, 1. 1 into 3, 3. A into 1, a. Plus, what is the value of b you got from the previous result? B is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. What is 2 minus 3? Minus 1. Plus a is equal to 0. What is a is equal to 1. That's how it is. So, how do you find the values of a and b? Two variables are given to you and two zeros are given to you. With the two conditions, you have found the values of a and b. So that is how you can do the problems related to finding zeros of a polynomial. Now you can pause the video and you can copy these questions. Alright. Children, in the last exercise, we have dealt about finding the zeros of a polynomial and the problems related to 0 of a polynomial. Now in this exercise, we are going to deal with dividing a polynomial with a polynomial. Now I have a problem in front of you. Divide a polynomial 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 and find the remainder. How am I going to do? I am going to perform the natural division and you please observe, and once the problem is done I shall tell you something else. Now when I am dividing by x minus 1 will be my dividend, and I have to write this very carefully, my dear children. This should be, the polynomial should be always written in the decreasing powers of x. What do you mean by that? Power is 4, after that the power is 3, after the power 3 you should get power 2, but is the power 2 there? Not there, missing. What do you do with that? Listen, so it is 2x power 4 minus 4x cube, and power 2 I will write as 0 x square. This is the way you write it. Any missing term you write as coefficient as 0. Minus 3x minus 1. I close the bracket. Now, how do you divide? Pay attention to it. 2x to the power of 4 you divide by x. When you divide 2x power 4 by x power 4 goes x cube times. So you are left with 2x cube. This 2x cube you have to write here and multiply this 2x cube with this x. So 2x cube into x will be 2x to the power of 4. 2x cube into minus 1 will be minus 2x cube. And now I subtract. When I subtract, 2x power 4 minus 2x power 4 cancel. This minus into minus will become plus. So ultimately you have minus 4x cube plus 2x cube. The result is minus 2x cube. And you have to bring this 0x square down. Now minus 2x cube divided by x. X goes x square times. Result is minus 2x square. Be very clear and specific. Minus 2x square is the result. Now you have to multiply this minus 2x square completely into x minus 1. That is how the rule is. Minus 2x square into x will be minus 2x cube. Minus 2x square into minus 1 will be plus 2x square. Again I will subtract. When I subtract, minus 2x cube cancel. Now 0x square minus 2x square will be minus 2x square. Bring minus 3x down. Now you have minus 2x square. Minus 2x square divided by x. X square goes x times. So result is minus 2x. Keep this result minus 2x here. Minus 2x. Minus 2x again into x will be minus 2x square. Minus 2x into minus 1 will be minus plus 2x. Subtract. When you subtract minus 2x square cancel. You have minus 3x, minus into plus, minus. So it is minus 3x minus 2x. Plus will become minus. Will be minus 5x. Bring this down. Minus 1. What is the degree here? 1. What is the degree here? 1. Still the division will continue. The division will truncate or the division will stop only when the degree of the denominator is less than the degree of the dividend. I repeat. The degree of the denominator is less than the degree of the divisor. Then the division will truncate. So what is that here? Minus 5x divided by x. X cancel. Left over is minus 5. So I'll write this minus 5 here. Minus 5 into x will be minus 5x. Minus 5 into minus will be plus 5. I subtract. When I subtract minus 5x, minus 5x cancel. Minus 1. Minus into plus minus. So minus 1 minus 5 will be minus 6. What is the degree of the remainder? 0. And what is the degree of the divisor? 1. So the division will truncate. Means it will stop there. Now the question asked to you was divide a polynomial this with this. Find the remainder. And what is the remainder? Remainder is therefore the remainder is minus 6. Two things are very important here. When the division should truncate, and the first important thing is you have to always write the given polynomial in the decreasing powers of x. That is very important, and 90% of the students do mistake here. You have to write the polynomial in the decreasing powers of x, and this is the normal way of doing. Now children, this is the methodology. Will you not be happy if a method is told to you where you need not go with division, by just substituting you will get the answer as minus 6? Are you not interested in that? Yes. In case if you are interested, then you must listen to the theorem called as remainder theorem. What we are going to do is remainder theorem now, and if you are understanding the remainder theorem very well, this problem becomes very easy. Now keep this like this only. Let me just tell you what a remainder theorem is. Alright, so I am sure you are listening, and you can pause the video and you can copy that. Listen to the remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. And the theorem states, if a rational integral function of x, say f of x, when divided by x minus a, the remainder is f of a. Now if you have understood this statement, and you will see how easy it is to calculate the remainder. Here in the previous problem, what was f of x? F of x was 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. With what you are dividing? You are dividing by f of x is divided by x minus 1. Now instead of x minus a, you have x minus 1. So instead of remainder f of a, the remainder will be f of 1. So therefore, remainder will be simply what? F of 1. Means what am I going to do? I am going to substitute the value of x is equal to 1. Check what you get. 2 into 1 to the power of 4 minus 4 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 1. What is 1 to the power of 4? 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 cube 1. 1 into minus 4 4. Minus 3 minus 1. What is it? 2 minus 4? It is minus 2. What is minus 3 minus 1? It is minus 4. And what is the remainder? Remainder is equal to minus 6. Is it not the same remainder you got by the normal division method? That is the beauty of this remainder theorem. So what I am going to do is, I want you to copy this problem, perform the natural division and get this answer. In the next class, I will again continue with remainder theorem, and rather I will prove how you got this remainder theorem. So keep your books steady, keep your videos on, listen to the videos continuously and update your notes all the time. So far, in the next video, we will try to cover what remainder theorem is, and we will try to prove what remainder theorem is, how it is done. Alright, so thank you, bye bye and take care.